Hello students, as I have completed chapter 1, 2 and 3, let us start chapter 4, integers. About the integers, you are already familiar with the properties and the properties of the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division on whole numbers. But you studied if it is 4 minus 1. So 4 minus 1 how much? 3. This is also a whole number. 4 also a whole number, 1 also a whole number, and 3 also a whole number. Similarly, if it is 6 minus 4, for example, 6 minus 4, 2. 6 also a whole number, 4 also a whole number, and 2 also a whole number. But same thing, if this one, if I will change it 1 minus 4, then the result, it cannot be a whole number. Here also, if I write here 4 minus 6, the result cannot be a whole number, because in whole number all the numbers are positive numbers. What are the whole number? Like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are the numbers are called whole numbers. Now, whole number. Now, so this 1 minus 4, we can do it, but the answer cannot be the whole number. 4 minus 6, we can do it, but it cannot be the whole number. So this number, as if you can see, this what number is going to come here? That number here, that is called integers. What are the integers? Like integers are the combination of negative and positive numbers. If you read this para nicely, first page, you will understand everything. See, the whole number system therefore has to be extended on accommodation such differences. Considering 0. Now, distance in the integers, if this is the integer line, and if I write here 0, suppose if this is a whole number, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, for example, up to the infinity, it will go on. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Difference is 1. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 1, 5. But when you increase it, here 0 plus 1, if you line, this one if you increase it, 0 plus 1, it will be minus 1, again minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So the whole number starts from the 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and they are opposite to each other. Distance opposite to 1, 2, 3, 4 on the number line are named as distance opposite to 1, 2, 3, 4 in a number line are negative numbers. This is negative. 1 minus 1, 2 minus 2, 3 minus 3, 4 minus 3. They are opposite. They all are opposite in distance and equal. That's why the combination of negative and positive numbers together is called integers. These are the simple solution. Here, this side is called negative integers. Negative means minus. This side is called positive integers. Positive means plus. When you combine it, it is called integers. Okay. Again, I will go back here. See, when we do 4 minus 1, 3, 6 minus 4, 2, 1 minus 4, it cannot be a whole number, it will be a integer. Why? Because 4 minus 1, answer is going to come minus 3. 4 minus 6, answer is going to come minus 2. You have studied the concept how it is minus in previous classes, but again I would like to make you understand that if it is 2 minus 1, so 1, but if it is 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Why, you know? Because we always used to take the sign, this sign, plus or minus, like 2 plus 3, 2 plus 3 how much? 5. If it is 2 plus 1, so 3. Why? Because this 2, see, as I told you, integers are the combination of, they are combined, integer in integer combined, what? Negative and positive. Negative means minus and positive means what? Plus. If I write here 2, it is say plus 2, but normally we can write it just 2 because plus is everywhere, okay? We can write it generally we used to write it plus 2, so plus 2. If it is 3, whether you are writing this plus 3 or plus 3, because it is alone, so no matter you are writing plus 3 in this way or in this way, both of them are correct if the digit you have only one, okay, or number you have only one. If the numbers are double, then only we will use, like if it is 3 and here 2, this plus 2, this plus 3, this plus 2, the answer is how much? No sign. So this one we understood, this is the first one always carrying the plus, and this is second one, no symbol, there is also plus, so plus plus is plus, so 3 plus 2, 5. These are the basic rules. Apart from this, you have to understand that plus, before also I gave you in the plus plus plus, minus plus minus, plus minus minus, minus minus plus. We will do the plus, but the symbol is here minus. Always you need to see the sign. Plus plus plus, sign also plus. Minus into plus, minus, we will do minus, but we will see the which sign. It might be plus, it may be minus, anything. Here plus into minus, minus. Here also maybe minus, maybe plus, but here minus minus plus, but here always minus. These are the basic concepts that we need to learn, okay? Now I was talking about the integers, like if we do 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3 how much? 4. But if we write 3 minus 7, why it is 4? 7 minus 3, 4. How? Because 7 is plus. 7 is plus. No symbol, right? This is 3. No symbol. So plus this one. Nothing is given. So plus 10. No symbol. So plus. So these are plus. So 7 also plus. Plus here minus. 7 is plus. 3 is minus. Plus into minus. Minus. 7 minus 3, 4. 4. 7 minus 3, 4. Why? Because plus into minus, minus. See, plus into minus, minus, minus. We'll do minus. Now, as I told you, you have to see the sign. It is plus or minus. Again, listen very carefully. That plus into minus, minus. You will do minus. But I told you the sign may be plus or may be minus with the answer. For that, from these two, which one you are going to use? From these two, which one you are going to use? That number will tell you. How? 7 minus 3, 4. Which number is bigger? 7 is bigger. What is the sign of 7? Plus. That's why it is plus 4. No need to write plus. Here also no need to write plus. Here also not, because it is plus only. Here plus, here minus. Plus into minus, minus. So we'll do minus. So 7 minus 3 minus 7 we cannot do, so we will go reverse. 7 minus 3, 7 minus 3 how much? 4. Plus here minus, plus into minus, so plus into minus, minus, we did minus, okay. Now sign is minus or plus? Again, which number is bigger? So 7 is bigger, so minus, Basic, these are the basic concept before we start the chapter. Now I hope you are understanding everything. Okay. If you have any doubts, you have my personal number, call me, okay, to clear your concept. Because if you don't understand these integers in class 6, that means 7, 8, 9 and 10, you are really going to face the problem. Now, again, if we do it like when you multiply, I hope you understood this one. Some questions you are going to get, what is integers you understood, right? Now some questions you are going to get like minus 3, minus 2, minus 3, minus 2, so minus plus, here minus, 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 plus, we will do plus, minus, minus, plus, we will do what, plus, how much, 3 plus 2, 5, but the sign is only one, what, minus. Concept clear, isn't it? Minus, minus, plus, we will do plus, but the answer is what, minus. Answer will come in the form of minus. Again minus 1, minus 3, minus, minus, plus, 3 plus 1, 4, but when minus means answer also minus, so minus. Basic. Okay, minus 3 plus 2, minus here plus, minus into plus, minus, minus into plus, minus, plus, minus into plus, minus, we will do minus, see minus. So 3 minus 2, how much, 1, minus into plus, minus, but here these two, like here to direct minus, minus, plus, okay, minus, minus, plus, minus, minus, plus, so plus, but the sign is minus, no need to see which is bigger, which is small, there is nothing to get confused when both of them are negative. But here plus and minus, plus into minus, minus, but you have to get confused about the minus plus, here minus, here plus, minus plus, again minus plus, confused about the minus or plus, but plus plus, so no problem, it is plus. Why I am not explaining this one? Because this one you studied from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, means everywhere you studied that one. Again here minus into plus, minus, okay, so 3 minus 2, 1, don't think that here plus, so 3 plus 2, 5, no, here minus, here plus, these two sign multiply, minus into plus, minus, so 3 minus 2, 1, okay. Now minus or plus, because see minus into plus, minus, but plus or minus, for that you have to see bigger number, which is bigger, 3. 2 is bigger or 3? 3 is bigger. 3 is bigger. 3 is bigger. What is the sign of 3? Minus. So minus. Okay. Okay. Understood, right? I hope you are understanding, isn't it? Listen very sincerely. Okay. Be attentive. Now, these are the concept about the basic. Okay. When you draw this line, integer line, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, dot, 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 minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. This is called integer line. 0 is the center. Smallest positive number is 1. Try to understand. Smallest positive number. Smallest positive number is 1. Okay. Biggest positive number, largest positive number is what? Infinity. We don't know that. We cannot find it. Okay. Largest negative number is minus 1. Minus 1 is the largest negative number. Okay. Largest negative number. Minus 1, largest negative number. Smallest negative number is, we don't know, after the infinity. Okay. Okay. This 0 is the mediator. It is in the middle. That's why 0 is neither positive nor negative. That means 0 you cannot add to anyone, 0 you cannot subtract from anyone. Okay, 0 is neither positive and nor negative. Now, second part. So, it is the concept is clear about the 0 is neither positive and nor negative, and 1 is the smallest integers, smallest positive integers, and the minus 1 is the largest negative integer. Okay, their difference is always 1. Okay, always 1. Opposite to 1 is minus 1, opposite to 2 is minus 2, opposite to 3 is minus 3. This is the way that we are going. So I hope, and about this sign, you know, this sign is called greater than, this sign is called smaller than, this sign is called is equals to. Okay, this sign is called similar to. Okay, this one is called belongs to. Memorize the sign. Okay, these are very important. Okay, belongs to. Now double sign cannot be together. See, for example, here 4 minus 3. Answer. This is a question we need to do. Double sign. So 4 minus plus. Minus plus. Okay, minus plus 3. So how much? 7. Because bracket is there, minus plus, already plus. No need to think about this one. Don't get confused. Very easy. Okay, minus plus, because we didn't see the sign of this one. Now here plus 4 plus 3, 7. Got basic concept. Next we are going to learn. Let us start absolute. Absolute value is what? This sign we are using it absolute. Absolute means what? Any number in positive form, in an integer, any integer in positive. For example, this is 2. What is the absolute value of 2? Is 2. Answer, there is the answer, or absolute value. Okay, this is the absolute value. This symbol we are using at the absolute. If minus 2, what is the absolute value of minus 2? Plus 2. Means absolute value of any number cannot be negative. Absolute value of all the number should be positive, always positive. If the number is positive, so positive, good. If the number is negative, answer is positive. Similarly, 44 minus 44, answer is how much? Plus 44, absolute value. Similarly, minus 31, answer is how much? I am talking about the absolute. Okay, this is the absolute value. So 39 plus 31 plus, these all are plus. Okay, plus. So plus. If it is plus, for example, if it is 4, absolute value of 4 is what? Plus 4. 4 is 4 plus 4, so plus 4. We cannot change the value. Understood, right? These are the basic concept about integers for chapter 4. Watch the video many times, as much as possible, 2 times, 3 times, to make you to clear a concept about the plus minus, because we are going to start the chapter. Okay. Now, from the previous chapter, natural number, whole number, integers, and in the month of February only I told you to memorize the tables. I hope you didn't forget up to 9. Okay, good. Now let's start the exercise.